Let's skedoodle, OKIDO! Find out what you want to know. Let's all go to OKIDO. OKIDO, OKIDO. All the things you want to know. Come along, let's say hello. Let's go see our friends. Felix! Zoe! Zeta-Zoo! Ba-ba-ba-ba-boo-boo! Let's all go to OKIDO. Find out what I need to know. Messi goes to OKIDO! La-di-doo, la-di-dee. Ah! I don't believe it! Look! Somebody's cleaned the bathroom! Ah! It's so clean, so sparkly, so unmessy. It doesn't even smell right. Why do you have to clean things anyway? When you need to know, go to OKIDO! Hello! What's all the noise?
Pardon?
I said, what's all the noise?
I can't hear you! It's all the noise!
Yes, but what is it?
We don't know! Come on! Let's go and look.
Let's skedoodle, OKIDO!
What is going on?
Oh, dear! Look out!
Careful! Oh! Ow! Oh, stop it! Get off! Oh! Ooh.
Who are these things? What are they doing here?
I don't know!
Tissue!
No! Over here!
Tissue!
Lofty?
Don't come too close. I've got a terrible cold. I've come to the city to find Zim and Zam so they can...
Run!
Tissue!
It's us, Zim. We're with Lofty, and he needs your
Tissue!
help.
Come on up to the cloud ship, quickly.
Let's go.
Hello, you three. It sounds like Lofty has caught a cold.
He caught a cold? Is that like catching a ball?
Not really, Messi.
So how do you catch a cold?
We'll show you.
Open wide. I'm going to take a sample from your mouth. Zim,
Thank you, Zam. Ah, isn't that beautiful?
They're like the creatures we saw outside. What are they, Zim?
Germs.
Germs? Germs?
Germs?
yes, Some are bacteria, which can be good for you, and some might be viruses, which aren't so good for you. But they are all germs.
And those germs were all in my mouth? How did they fit in?
They're really very tiny. We can only see them because the microscopes made them look much bigger than they actually are.
But if they were in Messie's mouth, does that mean he might get a cold too?
No, not all germs make you ill, do they, Zam?
No.
No, some germs are useful. These are all friendly ones, and they help to keep you healthy.
So, those things we saw in the city, they were Lofty the Giant's germs?
It sounds like it.
Bad ones, too.
And they made Lofty ill.
Oh, poor Lofty.
Are they going to make us ill too?
No. Giant germs only affect giants.
People germs affect people?
And messy monster germs affect messy monsters?
Exactly. The bad germs can get into your body through your nose or mouth, or if you've got a cut or graze on your skin that's not been covered up.
And they're passed around from person to person by sneezing, in food, or sometimes just by shaking someone's hand.
But how can we get rid of the bad germs?
And stop them making us ill.
Aha! It's really quite simple. Water,
Soap,
bubbles, I wish to wash my hand, please. I wish to wash. I need a tap, I need some soap to splish, to splash, to splosh.
I wash for 20 seconds. I wish I'd wash and wash. And then I rinse the soap away. I splish, I splash, I splosh.
And then I dry my hands, please. I wish to wash. The naughty germs are washed away. They splish, they splash, they splosh. Ba-doom!
Ah, and that's all there is to it.
Before you eat,
After every time you've been to the toilet,
or if you've been with someone who's ill,
we wish we wash.
But what about Lofty? Washing his hands won't help him. He's already got a cold.
How can we help him to get better and get rid of the bad germs?
Well,
Zim and Zam said have lots of water to drink, lots of rest, wrap up warm, and you'll feel better in no time.
Oh, thank you. I think it's working already.
But what about Lofty's germs? Ow! Get off! If we don't get rid of them, Lofty's just going to get ill again.
Messie's right.
We could try chasing them. Shoo! Shoo, go away!
Go on! Off you go! Away with you!
Go on, off you go.
Get off!
It's not working.
Oh, what should we do?
I know! Zim and Zam said that bad germs don't like soap and water, didn't they?
Yes.
Then I've got an idea! Ready, Lofty?
Yup!
Let the sploshing begin!
We did it!
now, Zam. The giant germs have all been washed away.
Okay.
And I feel much better.
Nice one!
Oh, that's great.
Lofty!
Hooray! Time for me to whoosh off now too. Bye!
Oh, see you, Missy!
So that's why you've got to clean the bathroom, to keep the bad germs away. And that's why we have to wash our hands too. Bubble lubble boom boom! Bye-bye! Balla balla boom boom!